Baik, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nurul Istiqomah. I'm from class 6A. Today I would like to present my individual report entitled An Analysis of Classroom Interaction in English Learning at SMK PGRI 2 Bandar Lampung. Next. Presentation outlining the first research title and background, and then objective, data and method, theoretical framework, result display and main finding, CDA analysis and interpretation, and discussion, implication and conclusion. The first is background of the study. Classroom interaction is not only about learning language, it also reflects power relation, ideology, and identify construction. Surface level analysis is not enough to explain what happened in this course. Karena ini saya menggunakan CDA untuk melihat makna lebih dalam di balik interaksi atau dialog antara guru dan siswa di dalam kelas, seperti itu. CDA saya menggunakan CDA help reveal how teacher and student will reproduce or challenge hierarchy. Next, research objective. In this study aims to analyze classroom interaction using Venn diagrams and Firelog framework, identify the function of code switching, and discuss its implication for EFL teachings. Next, data and method. Data source: a verbatim transcript of classroom observation from an English lesson on advertisement at SMK PGRI 2 Bandar Lampung. Method: deskriptif kualitatif, analysis steps, repeat reading of the transcript, identification of discourse unit, coding for ideology and power, interpretation through Van Dijk and Verloop, reflection and pedagogical implication. Kemudian setelah datanya kumpul, setelah datanya sudah ada, menggunakan metode apa, kemudian kami analisis menggunakan pendekatan CDA. Next, theoretical framework. This study used two CDA theory. The first is Van Dijk focus a socio-cognitive approach, and the second Verloop the focus three-dimensional framework. Kedua teori ini membantu menjelaskan bagaimana hubungan antara bahasa dan kekuasaan yang terjadi di dalam kelas. Next, main findings, summary of result. The ERV, initiation, response, feedback, pattern dominates the lesson. The teacher control the topic, turn taking, and evaluation, code switching, student tend to rely on teaching validation and produce short response. And the last, classroom discourse reproduce intentional power and dominance of English. This findings show that the teacher remains the center of classroom communication. Next is result display. This table summary the findings. The repeat ERV pattern show teacher dominance, while students have limited opportunity to speak. Jadi menurut saya ini menunjukkan bagaimana partisipasi siswa itu masih harus lebih ditingkatkan lagi, karena bisa dilihat ini lebih banyak lebih dominan gurunya dibandingkan dengan siswanya, seperti itu. And the next, CDA analysis, find the text dimension, topic is teacher selected, listen follow a rigid schema, implicative and evaluation feedback positive the teacher as the authority, social cognition, English is framed as difficult student-wide form validasi, correctness is owned by the teacher, speaking English can feel embarrassing, and social context, teacher control is happen by institutional norms, classroom discourse follow an examination-oriented system, access to talk is unevenly distributed. Based on Van Dijk's framework, the teacher controls the topic, turn taking, and evaluation. From the social cognitive perspective, students tend to see English difficult and rely on teacher validasi. This reflects institutional authority in classroom interaction. Next, Firelook analysis. Based on Firelook analysis, the teacher frequently use comment and display question. Code switching is used to clarify concept and supporting learning. And the social practice level, English is positioned as a prestigious language and the classroom remain teacher-centered. Next, the code switchings. This is one of the most interesting findings because the teacher used code switching intentionally for explanation and motivation. However, students switch to Indonesian mainly because they lack confidence in speaking English. Jadi kode switching tidak hanya membantu pembelajaran tetapi juga menunjukkan adanya perbedaan posisi antara guru dan siswanya. Discuss and pedagogical implication. Based on the findings, teachers should provide more opportunity for student participant. Teachers can use more authentic question and encourage student initiated interaction. Dengan begitu, pembelajaran itu menjadi lebih dialogis dan student center, yaitu studentnya bisa lebih aktif dan lebih banyak dalam berbicara, intinya lebih aktif dalam pembelajaran gitu. In the conclusion, classroom interaction is still dominated by teacher-centered ERF patterns. Code switching function as both a technique, strategy, and reflection of linguistic hierarchy. Through CDA, we can understand the classroom language reflect power, ideology, and learner identify. And then there are the main references used in this study, especially the theories proposed by Firelook and findings. Okay, thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.